Number 1. MVC architecture. MVC architecture. Description: Laravel follows the Model View Controller architectural pattern, which separates application logic into 3 interconnected components to improve code organization and maintainability. Number 2. Blade templates. Blade templates. Description: Blade is Laravel's powerful templating engine, providing a simple yet expressive syntax for creating views. It allows for template inheritance, control structures, and includes. Number 3. Eloquent ORM. Eloquent ORM. Description: Eloquent is Laravel's active record implementation, enabling developers to interact with the database using PHP syntax. It simplifies database operations by abstracting SQL queries into intuitive PHP methods. Number 4. Routing. Routing. Description: Laravel's routing system allows developers to define application routes that map to specific actions within controllers. It provides flexibility in defining RESTful routes and URL parameter handling. Number 5. Middleware. Middleware. Description: Middleware in Laravel provides a convenient mechanism for filtering HTTP requests entering your application. It allows you to modify incoming requests and outgoing responses, providing a layer of logic that can be applied to multiple routes. Number 6. Authentication. Authentication. Description: Laravel's built-in authentication system simplifies implementing user authentication and authorization in web applications. It provides pre-built controllers, views, and routes for common authentication tasks. Number 7. Artisan console. Artisan console. Description: Artisan is Laravel's command line interface, providing a range of commands to automate repetitive tasks such as database migrations, generating code scaffolding, and clearing caches. Number 8. Database migrations. Database migrations. Description: Laravel's migration feature allows developers to define database schema changes using PHP code, making it easy to version control and share changes across team members. Number 9. Eloquent relationships. Eloquent relationships. Description: Eloquent provides expressive syntax for defining relationships between database tables. These relationships include one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, and polymorphic associations. Number 10. Validation. Validation. Description: Laravel's validation feature simplifies the process of validating incoming HTTP request data. It provides a fluent interface for defining validation rules and automatically handling error messages. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.